Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Management Blueprint for long-term wealth transfer. When investors build dividend portfolios, the goal is often bigger than earning income today. For many families, the real goal is to protect wealth, grow it tax efficiently, and transfer it smoothly to the next generation. That is why dividend tax management becomes an important part of long-term wealth transfer planning. First, define your legacy goals clearly. Think about what you want your wealth to achieve for your family, heirs, or chosen beneficiaries. This may include providing income, supporting education, preserving family assets, funding future needs, or creating a lasting financial foundation. Once the goal is clear, it becomes easier to choose the right dividend strategy. Next, structure tax-efficient accounts. Different accounts, trusts, and legal entities may create different tax results. Some structures may help reduce taxes today, while others may support smoother wealth transfer in the future. The key is to organize your investments in a way that matches your family plan, tax situation, and long-term objectives. After that, optimize your dividend strategy. Focus on dividend quality, sustainability, and tax treatment. Qualified dividends, tax treaties, and after-tax yield can all affect how much income is actually kept. A strong dividend portfolio should not only generate income, but also fit into the bigger wealth transfer plan. Then, minimize taxes today where allowed. This may include using deductions, credits, tax loss harvesting, and careful income planning. Lower taxes today may leave more money invested for growth, and over time, that can increase the wealth available for heirs. Now, plan capital gains and cost basis carefully. When assets are sold or transferred, cost basis and holding period may affect the tax result. Proper planning can help reduce future tax surprises for heirs and make the transfer process easier to understand. Next, use estate planning tools when appropriate. Wills, trusts, lifetime gifts, family limited partnerships, beneficiary designations, and other estate strategies may help organize how wealth is passed on. These tools should be chosen carefully because the right structure can protect assets, reduce confusion, and support long-term family goals. After that, educate and communicate with heirs. A wealth transfer plan is stronger when the next generation understands the purpose, responsibilities, and basic investment strategy. Clear communication can reduce family conflict, improve decision-making, and help heirs continue the plan with confidence. Then, review and adapt regularly. Tax laws, family situations, investment markets, and personal goals can change over time. That is why long-term wealth transfer planning should be reviewed each year or whenever a major life event happens. To support this plan, follow practical best practices. Build a tax-efficient dividend portfolio, use tax treaties where available to reduce withholding tax, keep proper records and documentation, gift strategically during your lifetime, and work with qualified tax and estate professionals. At the same time, understand the key benefits. A well-designed plan may lower taxes on dividends and investments, preserve more wealth for heirs, create a smoother transfer process, reduce stress, and build a stronger legacy for future generations. However, there are also common risks to avoid. High taxes on dividends and estates can reduce family wealth. Poor estate structure can create delays or disputes. Lack of communication with heirs may cause confusion. Ignoring tax law changes can make an old plan ineffective. And failing to align investments with goals may weaken the entire strategy. A simple way to think about the final result is this: net wealth to heirs equals after-tax dividends, plus after-tax capital gains, plus gifts and transfers, minus taxes and fees. In other words, successful wealth transfer is not just about how much you earn, but how much is preserved and passed on after taxes, costs, and planning mistakes. So, the full process is simple. Start with your family vision. Choose tax-efficient structures, build a smart dividend strategy, manage taxes and capital gains, use estate planning tools, communicate with heirs, and review the plan regularly. In conclusion, dividend tax management for long-term wealth transfer is about making smart decisions today so your family can benefit tomorrow. A well-planned dividend tax strategy can protect your wealth, support your heirs, and help create a lasting legacy across generations. This content is for educational purposes only and is not tax, legal, financial, or investment advice. For personal guidance, consult a qualified professional. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.